step out, get some in out, shut your head out. So some ice fuck you be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Hey girly, I'm Vanessa, and this is where I show you what it looks like to choose yourself.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
Okay, girl, I'm not even gonna do the long intro telling you guys about my week, how I've been. Girl, we're moving, okay? I'm so excited and I'm happy to share that with you guys. I'm moving into, I guess, my first dream condo, and I have no words. First of all, I feel so grateful that I'm able to experience that. Second of all, I am so excited for what's to come. Like, it feels like it's really the beginning of my next big chapter in my life, and I have no words. Like, it leaves me speechless to see how beautiful life can be when you just choose yourself. So this move means a lot to me, okay? I've kept it quiet for as long as I could, but you guys know, like, I'm a yapper. I need to express myself. It's just like something, it's just in me. I try to be mysterious, but I can't, okay? And if you want to be in the know in real time, just join my Instagram broadcast channel. That's where I share like updates of my life, what I'm doing, what I'm buying in real time. Or you can just, stick around on YouTube. I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like, to decorate, to be in it. Whew. Guys, like, this was a long time coming. If you know, you know that I've been thinking about moving for a minute. I actually stopped vlogging because I was just so over where I am now. And also I was paying with my mental health. Okay, I wasn't paying much rent, but listen, it was expensive. And this move feels like it's really the beginning of my next big chapter in my life. And I'm just so happy and grateful that I have this platform so I can share this with you guys. Okay, so for breakfast, I really wanted Timmy. So instead of ordering in, I decided to walk there. So we're gonna go get breakfast, and there's a park right in front. So we're gonna have breakfast together at the park. We're at the park, and whenever I'm in the mood for coffee, I always get a medium brown sugar iced latte. It's a new item on their menu and it's really good. I wanted to have breakfast, but they were out of eggs, so I got a chicken sandwich. Okay, so let's talk about moving a little bit. So moving has been a little bit of an emotional roller coaster, okay? I am very much excited, but I'm scared.
Oh God,
I'm so scared because I'm leaving a place of comfort, something that I've been knowing for the last 7 years. Although I was paying with my mental health, I was comfortable there, I knew exactly what to expect every first of the month. I knew exactly who I was living with. My situation was set. Now I'm going through something that I've never done before. Maybe I just think like a kid, but I'm just like,
wow, I'm really doing this.
it's like every step of the way, I'm realizing that I'm really doing this. And as exciting it is to buy furniture, decorate, it is very stressful too. And the way that all of this came together, I just couldn't have done it better. God's timing is just immaculate. And I wish I could share everything, but let me just say this. Sometimes you'll ask God for something, right? You'll pray about something specific, and God will tell you, I will give it to you. So once you have that confirmation, you're like, okay, when? Do you have an ETA on that? And we get impatient. With being impatient comes being resentful, not praying about it anymore, not thanking him for the things that he hasn't done yet in your life because you don't believe it's going to happen because it hasn't happened on your own time. Well, let me tell you something. When you ask for it, you're expecting it to be delivered the next day because that's kind of like our generation. We're so used to Amazon Prime. We're so used to DoorDashing everything. But sometimes God is like, I am going to give it to you, but you're not in the right season for it. I need to work on your character. I need to work on you before I can give you what you ask for, Delight yourself in the Lord and he will give you the desires of your heart. Sometimes you're just not in the right season for it. God is not saying no. He's saying, wait, let me work on you a little bit more. Okay, let's do the work together. And then I'll give it to you when you'll be ready to get it. Because sometimes you'll get something when you're not ready for it. Even though you think, but you're not ready for it. And then what happens? You lose it. You wreck it. Sometimes some people gotta leave in order for you to get that blessing. Okay? Yep, clock it. Sometimes you have to leave a situation in order to get to that next chapter that God has for you. So My best advice to anyone who's watching this video would be to please trust God's timing. Like everything you want will happen in due time. But it's not going to be on your timing. It's not going to be on society's timing. The God that I worship does not work within this type of time, okay? He's on his own type of time. I'm being funny with it, but it's another thing to know that, hey, God timing is real, but it's a different thing to experience it in real life. Like when I tell you that I visited this place that I'm about to move into 3 years ago, I actually had a vlog. If you remember, you remember. I actually vlogged me visiting that place by myself. And at the time, I was not making enough to live there, but I was going to do it just because I wanted to, because all the girlies were living in an all white and gray apartment, and I wanted to do the same thing. Now, fast forward to 3 years later, I am more than comfortable to live there. So it's just like, imagine if I would have done that. I would have lost that apartment. I would have probably, went through being homeless and not having a place to live and having to go back to my mom's house. All that to say, this move feels like it was just ordained by God and not by me. And to be quite honest, that's how I like to live my life. I don't want to make any decision without his approval. I'd be scared, okay? After the last year I had where I was doing things my own way, I don't want no parts in that. Okay, God, please ordain my steps, okay? Okay, we're back from the park. Now, this walk and vitamin C combo was very much needed. It's the best way for me to start my day. An iced coffee, time by myself, getting in the sun. I can set my intention for the day. Like, literally needed it. Now, we're in my closet, and I feel like one thing that is essential when moving is to declutter, okay? We need to get rid of some stuff. I'm Haitian, so we like to stack our things up. This closet 2 weeks ago was full to the brim. I mean, you couldn't put a t-shirt in here if you wanted to. Essentially what I'm saying is we need to make room. Although I'm moving into a bigger place, I still do not want to recreate those childhood traumas that I have from growing up in a Haitian household where every closet is just full. I do not want my house to be like that. So we're going to get rid of some stuff. And I don't know if I'm the only one, but like my closet is full of clothes that I told myself, okay,
One day I'm gonna lose the weight and I'm gonna be able to fit in.
and some of these clothes now actually fit because I've been on my weight loss journey. But guess what? They don't even match who I am. They don't even match who I'm trying to be. They don't even match this version of myself I'm becoming. So it's like, damn, I wasted all that closet space for clothes that I'm going to get rid of anyways. Now, a little bit about that. So if you don't know, I was on Saxenda, which is a weight management medication that promotes weight loss. Something was going on in my body. I didn't understand it. So I went to the doctor. We did some tests, found out that one of the solutions to the problem that I was having was to be on a weight management medication. Saxenda, you take it every day. It controls your appetite, your craving. It really kills the food noise in your head. With that medication, I lost about 40 pounds, 45 pounds. Now, I stopped because I really just wanted to jumpstart my weight loss, okay? I had been trying to lose weight prior. I went to the gym. I did all these incredibly hard diet and nothing would move. I actually gained weight, so it was very depressing to me. Went to the doctor's office, then boom, I'm on Saxenda. After losing about 43 pounds, I decided to stop. Do it by myself, natural way, as they call it. I'm really proud of myself because I've been keeping up with my healthy habits, going to the gym, eating clean, and it really shows because I'm maintaining the weight loss. So all that to say, if you're a girly that wants to start losing weight, you don't have to get on a weight medication per se, but definitely check in with your doctor because it might be some undercover health issues that is preventing you from losing the weight. Because that was my situation. I know some people didn't believe in me, and that's exactly why I had to do it, okay? Now, let's declutter this, okay? Let me get rid of some stuff. Later, I did 2 boxes, 1 big bag of clothes to donate. So I'm really happy about that. Now let's do my PR shelf. So the good thing about being a creator is that you get to try products all the time. I'm grateful.
But skincare expires and I only have one face.
So I already cleaned it up, but here's what's left. And this is what I'm going into in my new place. The one thing I noticed, I'm a hoarder. I'm a hoarder. I had so many empty perfume bottles. It's like Am I waiting for them to refill themselves? Like, why am I keeping it? Guys, this is so heavy. But this is the pile of product that I'm gonna give away. So I'm gonna give it to some friend, family. I have family over, so I'm gonna give some products away. But this is everything that I feel I'm not gonna use, or that someone could benefit more than me, because I already have all of this. So this is what's to give. My pile of expired or empty products. It's not much. I thought I was gonna have more. I don't know why she's saying that. She didn't even want to let go of stuff, but I guess it's hard for me to let go of skincare. Okay, so I just took my shower. I'm gonna make myself a little dinner. So yesterday I was craving Alfredo pasta. I think I saw a reel and I was just like, okay, I need to make this. I'm gonna have some. I'm not super hungry, so I'm gonna have just a tiny little bit with you're gonna laugh. This is like literally like a piece of chicken, a piece of jerk chicken like this. I'm not super hungry, so here it is, a little Alfredo pasta and chicken. This is my dinner. Okay, girl, it's time to wind down. So I did my skincare. As you guys saw, I'm feeling so good. I have a fresh set of pajama on. Now, I was about to put my glasses on, but I wanted to share with you guys this deal I found on Kits. It's an eyewear company, which I worked in the past as a partnership, but I saw they were having a sale, so I ordered more style of glasses, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like. If you guys are interested, they're very good quality and pretty affordable. I got these two pairs for $60 Canadian. So I just removed my contacts to show you guys a different style I have. So this I had in the past, but I forgot them in Toronto when I went for work. So I just purchased them again. I love the big frame and the aviator style. So I don't know the name of these, but I'll put it on the screen. Another style they sent me last time that is not one of my favorite, but I love how it's frameless. And then we have my more eccentric pair, which are the tortoise, the gray tortoise one. It just, I don't know, it gives me a little, you know, a little look, a little style. My newest pair that I love the most are these one. Like, I love the dark, thick black frame. Like, come on. Isn't it giving? Anyways, the quality is really good. If you're looking for eyewear with your prescription, I would definitely check out Kits. Now, I'm gonna wind down with my tea. I'm gonna get on Amazon and fill up my cart because we're moving. I'm so excited, but I'm even more excited to be doing this with you guys. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. We'll be in New York for the 4th of July. And of course, I'm bringing you guys with me. So I'll see you guys on another vlog. Thank you for watching this one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.